Dear students, myself Sudhir Prasad Roy, DAV Public School, MTPS Kanti. Again, I am before you to explain the problems of BT of lesson 2, that is of properties of rational numbers or operation on rational numbers. The BT brain teacher chapter, yesterday we had discussed question number 2 up to question number 4. Now the question number 5 is product of two rational numbers can never be an integer. See question number 5 solution. We have to see whether this statement is true or false. The statement is the product of two rational numbers can never be an integer. Whether this statement is true or false. Let us consider a number 2 by 3, a rational number 2 by 3 and the another rational number 3 by 2. Let us consider a rational number 2 by 3. It is a rational number, no doubt, and 3 by 2 it is also a rational number. Now find its product. 3 and 3 cancel, 2 into the answer is 1. Okay. So is it integer or not? 1 is integer or not? You know integer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So is it integer or not? Yes, it is an integer. So the statement is true. Sorry, the statement is false. Because the question says that it can never be an integer. Question number 6, you may see product of two integers is never a fraction. Product of two integers is never a fraction. दो इंटीजर का गुणनफल कभी भी एक फ्रैक्शन नहीं हो सकता है. Let us see. Let us consider two integers from your mind. It is 5 and it is let it be minus 10. So what is this? Minus 50. Is it a fraction? No, it is not a fraction. So this statement is product of two integers is never a fraction. It is true. Okay, this statement is true, no, without any doubt. Now let us come to know question number 7. If x and y are two rational numbers such that x is greater than y, then x minus y is always a positive number. If x and y are two rational numbers such that x is greater than y, then x minus y is always a positive number. Okay, so there are two cases over here. There are two cases. Case 1, when x and y both are positive. When x and y both are case 1, when x and y are positive. Okay, when x and y are positive, then let x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Then what you have, x minus y? Then x minus y is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. It is positive. As per statement, it is positive. So it is true. For this case 1, it is true. Now let us have case 2. When x and y both are negative. Case 2, when x and y both are negative. When x and y both are negative and x is greater than y, x is greater than y, x is also negative, y is also negative. Therefore, let x is equal to minus 5, then y is equal to minus 9. Okay. then only x will be greater than y. Okay, x is minus 5 and y is minus 9, only then x will be greater than y. No, any confusion? Because in negative terms, the numerical value of the term whose numerical value is less becomes greater than the number whose numerical value is more. If both have the negative sign, just like you may say minus 5 is greater than minus 9, minus 3 is greater than minus 5, minus 2 is greater than minus 10. Okay. Similarly, when x is minus 5, y is minus 9, then x is greater than y. Okay. Now x minus y will be minus 5 and minus 9. And this will give you minus 5 and plus 9. That is 9 minus 5 is equal to 5. 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and it is positive. So the statement is true. Okay? All of you understood? When x and y both are negative, then x is minus y, let x is equal to minus y, 5 and y is equal to minus 9, then x minus y is equal to x minus 5 minus of minus 9 minus 5 plus 9, that is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and it is positive. So this statement is true. Okay, so we have discussed all the problems of question number 2, finding and true and false. We have explained every question of question number 2 of BT, in which we have to say true and false against each of the given statements. Now let us come to the next type of question, that is for x is equal to 3 by 4 and y is equal to minus 9 by 8. Insert, this is question number 3 of BT. Insert a rational number between x plus y पहला, x plus y whole power minus 1 and x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1, and second x minus y to the power minus 1 and x to the power minus 1 minus y to the power minus 1. Okay, so let us see, this is the question. For x power 3 by 4, y is equal to minus 9 by 8. Insert a rational number between this and another question, this and this. So solution, x plus y to the power minus 1 is equal to, you will have, what is value of x? 3 by 4 plus minus 9 by 8 to the power minus 1, and this will give you 3 by 4 plus minus 9 by 8 to the power minus 1. We will take the LCM of 4 and 8, it will be 8. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, 2 3 are 6, it is 6. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1, 1 into minus 9 is equal to minus 9 and whole power minus 1, and this will give you 6 minus 9, 6 minus 9, 6 minus 9, it is minus 3, minus 3 to the power minus 1 is equal to, you know, this is the reciprocal of minus 3 by 8 and you know reciprocal of minus 3 by 8 will be 8y minus 3. 8y minus 3, we will multiply it by minus 1 into minus 1 and we will have minus 8y 3. Okay, so x to the power y, x plus y whole to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 8y 3. Now x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1 is equal to, what is the value of x? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 to the power minus 1 plus what is value of y? Minus 9 by 8 to the power minus 1, and this will give you 3 by 4 to the power minus 1 is reciprocal 4 by 3, and this plus 8 by minus 9. We will convert into, this will give you 4 by 3 and plus minus 8 by 9 is equal to 4 by 3 minus 8 by 9, and if you find it, you will have LCM 9. 9 by 3 square, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, minus 8, that is equal to 4 by 9. You may see once again, 3 by 4 to the power minus 1 is equal to 4 by 3, and it is 9 minus 9 by 8 inverse, that is 8 by minus 9. We have converted into a standard form. It is, now it is plus minus 8 by 9, 4 by 3 plus minus 8 by 9 is equal to, taken LCM, and so it is 4 by 9. Now we have to find the one rational number between minus 8 by 3 and 4 by 9. So one rational number between a minus 8 by 3 and 4 by 9 will be equal to, know x and y is there, two rational numbers, then a rational number between those x plus y by 2. Therefore minus 8 by 3 plus 4 by 9 and whole divided by 2. Because you know, if x and y are two rational numbers, then x plus y by 2. You know, we had explained already before. So you may have here LCM of 3 and 9 is equal to 9. 3 3 are 9, 3 is the minus 24, and 9 9 plus 4 by 2. This will give you minus 24 plus 4 minus 20 by 9 and whole by 2. This will give you minus 20 by 9 into 2. That is 2 10 are 20 minus 10 by 9. Okay. So you have got minus 10 by 9. Similarly, you can do this question. Okay. So let us move to some other question. Question number 5. All of you have understood? Any confusion? X plus y to the power minus 1 and x minus 1 plus y minus 1. We have evaluated x plus y to the power minus 1 and we have got minus 8 by 3. And here x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus we have calculated, and we have got lastly how much? 4 by 9. Now one rational number between minus 8 by 3 and 4 by 9, that is minus 8 by 3 plus 4 by 9 whole divided by 2, because you know x and y are two rational numbers, then x plus y by 2 is a rational number between x and y. So we have done this like this and we have got this minus 10 by 9. Okay, all of you must have understood it. Now let us come to the next question. You can do this question on your own. If you have any problem, you will ask me tomorrow. Again, let us have one more question of the same exercise which I need to be explained. It is that question is very easy, but you need to verify that that mod x plus y is greater or less than mod x plus mod y, by where x is equal to minus 5 by 11, x is equal to 2 by 3 and y is equal to minus 3 by 5. Let us see, x plus y, mod x plus y is less or equal than mod x plus mod y. Okay, very good. Now solution, LHS. Verification is there, so LHS is equal to x plus y. So it will become, what is the value of x? 2 by 3. What is the value of y? Minus 3 by 5. This will give you 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. And find its LCM. You will have 3 into 5, 15, because both are co-prime numbers. And what is the LCM of two co-prime numbers? Their product. Okay, 3 into 5, 3 5 ja 15 into 10 minus 5 3 ja and 3 3 ja 9. So it is 1 by 15. LHS is equal to this. Mod 1 by 15. Now it is positive number, so it will give you 1 by 15 only. Okay. Now RHS is equal to mod x plus mod y. Let us see what is value of mod x. It is 2 by 3 and plus what is mod minus 3 by 5. You know it is 2 by 3 positive, and what will happen to this? Minus of minus 3 by 5. That is 2 by 3 and plus, and ये भी हो जाएगा plus 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 ये हो जाएगा 3 by 5. If you take the LCM, 3 into 5 it is 15. So 3 5 is 15, it is 10, and 5 3 is 15, it is 9. Okay, so no problem. Here mod x 2 by 3 and mod y is equal to minus 3 by 5. So 2 by 3 and plus mod of minus 3 by 5 will give you minus of minus 3 by 5, 3 by 5. And so it is plus, and so 3 into 5, 15, 3 5 is 10, and 5 3 is 3 3 is 9. It is 19 by 15. Okay. So it is 19 by 15. Now see the LHS and see the RHS. It is 1 by 15, it is 19 by 15. So which one is greater? Which one is greater, 1 by 15 or 19 by 15? Absolutely, you are right. 19 by 15. So here we see that the RHS is greater than LHS. RHS here, since 19 by 15 is greater than 1 by 15. Therefore x plus y, therefore x plus y mod is less or equal than mod x plus mod y. Root या वेरीफाई करना है कि ये जो है यह इससे छोटा होगा या बराबर होगा। ठीक है, छोटा होगा या बराबर होगा। हमने कैलकुलेट किया मॉड एक्स प्लस वाई, मॉड एक्स प्लस वाई जब हमने कैलकुलेट किया तो 1/15 आया, और जब मॉड एक्स प्लस मॉड वाई को हमने कैलकुलेट किया तो 19/15 आया। इन दिस वे ये मॉड माइनस में होता है तो इसका वैल्यू प्लस ही होता है। कैसे होता है? यू नो, मॉड माइनस एक्स बराबर माइनस ऑफ माइनस एक्स। ओके, सो and it is plus. So we have understood here it is 19 by 15 is greater than 1 by 15. Therefore x plus y is less or equal than mod x plus mod y verified. Okay, now let us see the question number 6. You can do by on your own. Now let us come to question number 7. 6 you can do on your own. Reciprocals you have to find. You have to find the reciprocal. Let me see question number 6 also. Question number 6. Find the reciprocal of question number 6. Two y minus 5 into 3y minus 7. We have to find the reciprocal of question number 1. This. So solution, reciprocal of two y minus 5 into 3y minus 7, 3y minus 7 इसका टू क्या हो जाएगा? 2y minus 5 into 3y minus 7 whole power minus 1, and this will give you may see 3 2 are 6, 6y minus 5 into minus 7 35. ऊपर ऊपर गुना कर दिया, नीचे नीचे गुना कर 2 3 6 और माइनस 5 इंटू माइनस 7 माइनस माइनस प्लस 35 एंड 6 by 35 टू द पावर माइनस 1. दिस रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा? 1/6 by 35 and this will give you 35 by 6. So 6 5 5 whole 6. No problem at all. Now let us see question number 7. Simplify. Question number 7. Simplify. Again, it is every question is of different type, but if you understood the text, the topic, you can do it by very easily. Let us, I am going to do question number 2. 5 by 11 to the power minus 1 into minus 13 by 5 and plus 3 by 15. Okay. Let us see this question. Minus 5 by 11 to the power minus 1. 5 by 11 to the power minus 1 minus 13 by 5 and plus 3 by 15. See here. Solution. 5 by 11 to the power minus 1. That is reciprocal of 5 by 11. And it will be written as 1 by 5 by 11. Minus 13 by 5 plus 3 by 15. This will give you, this will just convert into multiplication. It will be 11 by 5 minus 13 by 5 and plus 3 by 15. You will take the LCM. 5, 5, 15. What will LCM? 5 का LCM 5 का 5, 5 और 15 का 15. So 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15, 3 11 जा 33. Okay. 5 3 जा 15 and 3 13 जा minus 39. Okay. 15 1 जा 15, so it is plus 3. Any problem? 5 3 जा 15, 3 11 जा 33, 5 3 जा 15 and 3 13 जा डिवाइड करेंगे तो 3 होगा, 3 को 30 से गुना करेंगे 39 होगा, 15 में 15 से भाग करेंगे 15 में 15 से 1 होगा, 1 को 3 से गुना करेंगे 3 होगा. So you are having 33 plus 3, 33 plus 3, 36 minus 39 by 15. So you will have minus 3 by 15. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. It is minus 1 by 5. Okay. So I think you can do the remaining questions also. Now let us see. You will do the questions. If you have any problem, you may contact me. Now let us see one more question. That is question number 8. 8. I am going to solve one question and you will do the rest on your own. Okay, I will send you the the remaining questions on Snap homework. So question, let us see question number 8. Divide the sum of 5 by 21 and 4 by 7 by their difference. Okay, so see, divide the sum of 5 by 21 and 4 by 7 by their difference. Okay, क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है कि 5/21 और 4/7 के जोड़ को उसके डिफरेंस से, उसके घटाव से डिवाइड कीजिए. यानी इस दोनों को जोड़ेंगे, इस दोनों को घटाएंगे. ठीक है. जोड़ने के बाद जो आएगा उसमें घटाने के बाद जो आएगा है ना, उससे डिवाइड करेंगे. समझ में आ गया. डिवाइड द सम ऑफ 5 by 21 and 4 by 7. इस दोनों के सम को डिवाइड करना बाय द डिफरेंस, इस दोनों के डिफरेंस से. सो द सम इज इक्वल टू 5 by 21 plus 4 by 7 and you may have 7 और 21. 7 के टेबल में आता है 21, इसलिए दोनों एक दूसरे का मल्टीपल है, तो ग्रेटर नंबर क्या होगा, इसका एलसीएम होगा 21. 21 21 1 into 5 5 plus 7 3 ja 21, 3 4 ja 12. So it is 17 by 21. ओके, नाउ डिफरेंस। डिफरेंस, अब ये देखना है कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है। 5/21 है और 4/7 है, इस दोनों में कौन बड़ा है। इसको गुना करते हैं बड़ा छोटा के लिए, क्या करते हैं बड़ा छोटा के लिए, फिर से देख लो, भूल गया होगा। 5/21 और 4/7, इसमें कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है, पहले इसको गुना करते हैं। 5 × 7 = 35 and 21 × 4 = 84। ठीक है, अब बताइए कौन बड़ा है। 84 बड़ा है। 21 × 4 84 बड़ा है, इसलिए कौन सा फ्रैक्शन बड़ा होगा, ये फ्रैक्शन बड़ा होगा, नहीं होगा बड़ा। 5 × 7 35 and 20 × 4 21। ठीक है, इसलिए 4/7 इज ग्रेटर। तो हम लोग 4/7 को पहले लिखेंगे, 4/7 माइनस 5/21। ऐसा नहीं, दिस इंप्लाइज दैट 4/7 इज ग्रेटर देन 5/21। ये आपको हमने बता दिया फिर से। सो 4/7 minus 5/21। Now find LCM। 7 21 21, बिकॉज 21 7 का मल्टीपल है। जब मल्टीपल होता है दो नंबर, तो उसमें जो ग्रेटर नंबर होता है दैट बिकम्स द एलसीएम ऑफ द बोथ। सो 7 3 जा 21 and 12 and 21 21 जा, it is 5। you are having 12 में से 5 गया, 7 और 21। 7 1 जा 7, 7 3 जा 21, it is equal to 1/3। No, so you are having 7/21 is 1/3। So the sum is 17/21 and difference is 1/3। According to question, sum divided by difference is equal to 17/21 divided by 1/3, and this will give you 17/21 into 3/1। क्योंकि ये डिवाइड जब मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो ये उलट जाता है, ये चेंज कर जाता है मल्टीप्लाई होने पर। 3 7 जा 21 and you are having 70/7। Okay, so you have come to know about this question also, and in the same way you can do the other question also. Question number 9, one more question is there, question number 9. I think you have come to know about this question, and I think you may not have got any problem in understanding. So let one more question, that is question number 9, and after that I will end my lecture, and the horse and other thing will be discussed tomorrow. See question number 9, a little bit different is this. So see question number 9, find the reciprocal of minus 2/3 into 5/7 in plus 2/9 divided by 1/3 into 6/7, minus 2/3 into 5/7 plus 2/9 divided by 1/3 into 6/7. Very good. Recall the formula, BODMAS, BODMAS। ठीक है, तो व्हाट विल डू हियर, BOD पहले डिवीजन है, minus 2/3 into 5/7 जोड़ क्यों लिखाएगा, प्लस 2/9 और ये डिवाइड है तो क्या हो जाएगा 3/1 इंटू 6/7। यहाँ पर हमने डिवाइड को चेंज कर दिया। अब क्या होगा मल्टीप्लीकेशन। अब मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन आप कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर 2 5 या 10 कहीं कैंसिल होने वाला नहीं है तो -10/21 लिखेंगे। और यहाँ पर देखिए कहीं कटने वाला है 3 3 जा 9 और कटने वाला यस 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9 and 3 2 जा 6. So you are having 2 into 2 4, 4/7. Okay. So -10/21 plus 3 3 जा 9, 3 2 जा 6, 4/7. Now simplify it again. 21 is LCM. 7 21 21. It is -10 and it is 7 3 ja it is 12. 7 3 ja 12 and 3 4 ja 7 3 ja 21 and 3 4 ja 12. So it is 12 minus 10 is equal to 2/21. Now reciprocal of 2/21 is equal to 2/21 minus 1, and it is 1/2/21 and it will give you 21/2. So dear students, we have explained, we have done almost all the problems of this exercise. Okay, and certain more questions, 2 questions are left, and I will do it again tomorrow, and with the hope that you have understood, you have liked. I think you would have liked this my video and lecture. In my next lecture we will explain the other questions, HOTS and enrichment question. Till then I am going to end my lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.